To get started with Zoho CRM, open the Zoho website or app and log into your account. Once you're in, click on Try Now under the CRM section and then click Get Started. You need to enter some basic information like your company name, mobile number, and the number of employees you have. After filling out the details, click on Get Started again. Once your CRM dashboard is loaded, you'll see various tabs on the side such as Home, Leads, Contacts, Accounts, Calls, Meetings, Tasks, Reports, and Analytics. The Home section gives you a general overview of your activities and metrics. In the Leads section, you can store and manage your potential customers. To create a new lead, simply click on Create Lead, then enter the person's name and other necessary details. The Accounts section helps you manage client or company accounts. The Calls tab lets you keep track of all communication via calls, while the Meetings tab helps schedule and manage meetings. In the Tasks tab, you can assign and monitor daily activities or projects. The Reports section provides detailed summaries of your CRM data, and the Analytics tab gives you a deeper visual and statistical analysis of those reports to help you make informed decisions. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool for managing your sales, leads, and overall customer relationship pipeline effectively.